Ooh, ooh, ooh. My voice rises everywhere, across the sky everywhere, over oceans, over lands, carried far on open wings, through the city, through the stars, but the mountains shining far. Every echo leaves a trace, drawing mad through time as space. Every note begins a flight, every sound becomes a height. I am the traveling voice tonight, moving fast through waves of light. Across the worlds my song deploys, there is a move that sound deploys. Across the skies a signal soars, no walls can hold, no shades can choice. Oh. Through the night and through the day, every sound can find its way, rising high above the ground, carried by the power of sound, over deserts, over seas, through the endless melodies, every echo multiplies, like a signal through the skies, from horizon into space. Sound can never lose its trace. Forward motion, clear and free, turning sound to energy. Oh, every note begins of light, every sound becomes a light. Ooh, ooh.